Okay, welcome to this video. Today I'm ranking video games. Let's begin. Minecraft. Yeah, like Minecraft is okay. It's not like, yeah, that's good. I don't know what this is. Valorant? I don't know. I don't know what that game is. VR chat? Well, like there are people on there that like act weird. So I Among Us. Well, the new Among Us is trash. What is this game? I don't know that. I don't know. I don't know a lot of games. This is the best game ever. I still don't know that game. I don't know that of Rocket League. Yeah, it's okay. No. I don't know. This is gonna be a short video, man. I forgot the name, but yeah. I like it. I don't know. CSGO. I haven't played it, but like, meh. Roblox. Fortnite. Well, yeah, I say it's okay. I don't know that game. War Thunder. I don't know that game too. This is Gary's mod, I think. Yeah, it's excellent. You know, absolute masterpiece. Fall Guys. Yeah, it's okay. I know that too. And yeah, that was a short video. Let's rank some other things.
How's it going, guys? Gaming Sound Effects here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download free background music to use in your YouTube video.
Okay. Okay. The DS, it's fine. Let's just change that to F. I don't know what this is. 3DS? No. I don't know. 2DS or something. I haven't played it before, but I think it's B. This is a 3DS, so yeah, A tier. Yeah, B tier. This is a light. I have that one. So S tier. Yes. It's good. This one is like very new, but I don't really like them both. Wii U, I never had it, but B tier. Wii, going all the way in S tier. But I think that was it for this video. Sorry for the short one, but at least I uploaded. Bye!